We're in the Painted Tree community in McKinney, Texas. This available Bloomfield home has 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Let's take a look inside. You have a nice wide entryway as you enter, being able to see down to the focal point of your tiled fireplace to the side of the entry. You have this hall with a linen closet and a full hall bath, step-in shower, tile all the way up to the ceiling, with this window allowing light in with privacy frosted style. Over here, you have the front bedroom, double windows out to the front yard. And on this side, you have double doors into your wide closet, racks and shelves. Continuing down the hall is your 2-car garage with your tankless water heater over there. Opposite of the stairs, you have your laundry room with your mud space, bench, hooks for clothes, storage above the hookups for your washer and dryer, tile along the floor, great for being next to your mud space for easy cleanup. We'll loop around the other way, but it connects into the primary suite with the closet right there. The banister has a light wood design that continues up, tying it in with the design of the floor. Right next to the stairs, you have this inset area with power to light up a Christmas tree, put an art statue, plenty of options here. Right next to that, you have the hall closet with a rack and shelf, and it continues for understairs storage. That then opens up to your main living space. Open concept design, tile around your fireplace with a modern mantle, continuing the design all the way up to the ceiling. You have windows along the ceiling, bringing in natural light from above. And these large windows looking out to your backyard past the covered patio. And over here, you have your breakfast nook, windows on 2 walls, and a window seat bench. Then your door out to the covered patio has these built-in window blinds that you can bring all the way up. Over here is your kitchen with a large island with an overhang for your knees sitting on stools. You have a large farmhouse single basin sink with the dishwasher on the right and your trash pullout on the left. Opposite of that is your 4-burner gas stove with an updraft above. Below you have large drawers, plenty of cabinets and counter space. Along the back you have power and your tile backsplash. Plenty of cabinets above. Over here is your microwave and oven, right next to your walk-in pantry. That continues to your fridge space and this counter that could be your coffee bar. Around the corner, you have these double doors into the study. 2 large windows. And over here you have your Cat 6 and coax connections with power. On the opposite side of the main living space is the primary suite. Curvature to the ceiling, windows along the side, and out to your backyard with another window seat. Through the double doors, you have the primary bathroom, dual sinks, large long mirror, tiles surrounding your deep tub, frosted glass privacy window, and your step-in shower, tile all the way to the ceiling, as well as a bench seat. At the end of the bathroom, you have your toilet room. That flows into the primary closet. Plenty of space over here. Wraps around and continues to the other side with multiple levels of racks and shelves. That then connects into the laundry room, which then flows out back around to the main hall. Heading up the stairs, I noticed there's power at the landing as well as at the top landing. Easy to plug in your vacuum as you vacuum the stairs with an overlook into the main living space. That opens up into the game room. 3 large windows, slight curvature to the ceiling. Along this wall, you have your Cat 6 and coax. There's power along the walls as well as over here, right above the stairwell, you have floor power. Next to the landing, let's head in here first. This is the first upstairs bedroom with double doors into the closet. Continuing across the game room, in here, you have a full hall bath with a privacy window along the top of the shower, bringing in light. Opposite of the bathroom is this large storage closet, plenty of space, as well as built-in shelving. Being right off of the game room, you could pack a lot of games in here for easy access. At the end of the hall is the next upstairs bedroom. 2 large windows looking out to the front yard. And on the opposite wall, double doors into the closet. Let's head down to the last hall. Doors on both sides, they loop through. Let's start over here. This bedroom has window looking out to the side yard, as well as your closet with 2 racks and shelves. Over here, you have your ensuite sink area, which flows into the shared toilet and tub shower space with the privacy window along the top of the shower. And next to that, you have your extended depth linen closet, which then flows into the next ensuite sink area, right off of the last upstairs bedroom with windows out to the front yard and double doors to your closet. Let's head to the backyard. Stepping out to the covered patio, windows out from the main living space, power along the side, opens up to your yard with the tree, plenty of space for planting additional trees, setting up flower beds. The Painted Tree community includes 250 acres of parks and trails inspired by our national parks. This is the Lakeside Trailhead, which is still under development. It's estimated to be completed later this year. Over at the Village Trailhead, you can find this pool with the great sun shelf in multiple levels, with these loungers to relax and soak up the sun. Back at the Outpost, they have gathering spaces, a food truck court, outdoor adventure park, playgrounds, and 2 trailheads. They also stock their 20-acre lake with fish. Painted Tree is also in such a great location. It's just 3 miles northwest of historic downtown McKinney and just 30 miles north of Dallas. In the nationwide rankings by John Burns Research and Consulting, Painted Tree was the top-selling master plan community in Dallas-Fort Worth. Additionally, it's in the highly sought-after McKinney Independent School District. If this home and community interests you and you want to know more, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality.